Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In this video, I'll show you how to delete updated cover photo on Facebook, step by step. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Step 1. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top left or right corner of the screen, depending on your device. This will take you to your Facebook profile. Step 3. Now, tap on your cover photo. A menu will appear with different options. Step 4. From the menu, tap on See Cover Photo. This will open your current cover photo in full screen. Step 5. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on them to open more options. Step 6. From the options that appear, tap on Delete Photo. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you really want to delete the cover photo. Step 7. Finally, tap on Delete Through to confirm. Your cover photo will be removed immediately, and Facebook will replace it with a blank background until you upload a new one. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your updated cover photo on Facebook. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.